Have you heard of the rule of 18 minutes? So if you do something every day for 18 minutes, you're like the 1% that has done that thing above everyone else in the world for that special skill set. Like if you lift weights for 18 minutes a day, you've lifted weights more than like 99% of the population in the world because you did it for 18 minutes. And so a lot of people think that these little things don't add up, but like little things really do add up. And I always tell my team, when you say you're finished drinking a soda, when you're done with that can, putting it on the table next to you versus getting up right away and throwing it away. People think that's a very small thing, but that's a significant thing. And I always tell my team now, when I finish doing something, I don't just put it to the side and, I'll get to it later. Tricking the mind and changing the mind to, I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to have the discipline to do it exactly right now. And I always say, like, why wait for tomorrow of what could be done today? And it's not a day thing. I think it's a second thing. I think it's a minute thing. Like, why would you wait something for 10 minutes when you can literally do it right now? Go throw that thing away. Go and put your dish in the sink in the dishwasher. Rinse your thing. Don't put the pot to soak. There's no such thing as soaking a pot for overnight for, whatever meal you made. Like, do the things that you need to do right now, and it'll change the discipline of your entire outlook. And I think that's super powerful.